Hi, my bells. Happy New Year. Hope you all had an amazing holiday celebration. I mean, we're already up and running and resetting our homes for 2026. So, kindly join me as we go ahead and refresh, clean up, and decorate. I honestly cannot believe 2025 Christmas came and went just like that, guys. Oh my goodness. It's as if like were just getting like kind of in the Christmas mood, and Christmas was all gone already. But you guys, this is the reason I always tell you guys that I love to start my Christmas decoration in November, so that way I have the whole of November to enjoy and December, and then once it's first week of January, I love to go ahead and just take everything down, guys. I don't know, there's just something about Christmas decoration and getting people like in the relaxing self-care holiday mood, right? So once I tried kind of leaving my Christmas tree until the 10th 1 year, and oh my goodness, before I could get myself to kind of get back to my routine, it was so difficult, because I believe like 10 days into the new year, it was as if like I spent like the beginning of my year just relaxing, just lounging, and it affected me so badly by the time I was ready like to get back to the hang of things. So in order to prevent that, I love to go ahead and take down every Christmas decoration like first week, immediately after the first. Of course, I leave it for maybe the second, but from the third and the fourth, I'm already taking everything down, guys. I mean, if you're the type of person that do your Christmas decoration late, let's say you start your Christmas decoration maybe first week of December, second week of December, it's okay for you to maybe enjoy it till, I know some people that actually leave their Christmas decoration up till the end of January. Let me know if you're in that category. Let me know if you're the type of person that loves to leave your Christmas decoration all the way throughout January, or you're the type of person that immediately after Christmas you're like, okay, I'm done with the Christmas decoration. So guys, as you guys can see, and also this is a very huge tip, especially if you have kids that are already handy, right? An easy trick is to go ahead and take down your Christmas decoration while the kids are still home for the holidays, because you know once they are back to school, you know they have assignments, they have things going on with school, they have activities, and they barely have time. So I made sure that before they went back to school, they helped me take down all the Christmas decoration. As you guys can see, the twins, they were very, very helpful, very, very handy. I mean, I let me know if you find yourself also in this category of people that like when you're putting up the Christmas decoration, everybody's happy. I mean, we're, you know, like whenever I'm putting up my Christmas decoration, I don't really feel it, right? But when it's time to take it down, oh my goodness, it's not fun at all. Like whenever I'm taking down my Christmas tree, I always ask myself, but how did I even put up the Christmas tree in the first place? Like the Christmas decoration, the trees, the ornaments and all. I don't know. I think because everybody's looking forward to Christmas, right? Like when you're putting up all those decorations, you don't really feel it. You're so happy, you're so joyful and all, but taking it down, guys, oh my goodness, it took me 2 days. I mean, 2 whole days to take this down. And of course, we're not just taking down all the Christmas decorations. Also, guys, I'm sharing the storage. As you guys can see, I love to have these big bins, guys. Like I picked them up from Walmart. As you guys can see, it's from a brand called Hats. And also, I picked up some storage, like ornament storage from Amazon. Of course, you guys already know that anything you see in my video is always linked in my description box. Or, of course, YouTube now offers like a link, you know, that can pop up by the side of the screen or something like that. So if there's anything you see in my video that you're interested in, you can easily check my description box, or like a very sure and 100% accurate place to shop my home or anything you see on me is on my LTK page, guys. Shop LTK page. I have a page on the app and it's very easy. You know, you can just go to LTK, shop LTK, and you just put Omabel. It's going to bring out my page, and from there you can shop my home, you can shop my clothing, you can shop anything you see me share on social media is always first linked on my LTK page. So definitely try and check that out. But like I was saying, as you guys can see, you know, I know a lot of people that always ask, like, how do you store all the Christmas decorations? And as you guys can see, I always make sure that whatever, like especially my trees, right, whatever package it comes with, I always make sure to leave it. Even though this particular brand, King of Christmas, they offer a Christmas tree bag, but for some reason I just find that putting it inside the box, you know, it came with it so much easier. So I just always take down everything in parts, put them in the box, and just store them either in my garage or in my basement. So that way the next year, especially since I have like different names of the tree, the one I usually use in my foyer is the queen, the one I use in my great room is the king, and then the one we use in the family room is the noble. So I just love to put them back in their packaging. But when it comes to the ornaments, guys, I love to use those beans, you know, the beans you guys saw us carrying up and down in this video. Like, I love heart bean. And also when it comes to my ornaments, especially my delicate expensive ornaments, I love to go ahead and put them in my ornament box I picked up from Amazon. But yep, guys, finally we took down all the Christmas decoration. Oh my goodness, like by the time I was done taking all this decoration down, guys, my whole body was aching. But also, of course, the twins, they were so helpful because I didn't know how I was gonna do all these things alone, like taking down all the Christmas decoration. But let me know if you feel like, if you notice this, right, when you take down your Christmas decoration, it's as if your whole house is empty. I don't know why. Like, it took me few days for my eyes to get used to just the normal decoration in the house, because when you put up your Christmas tree, you put up all the garlands, the wreath, you know, it makes the house so full. So when you go ahead and take down all the Christmas decoration, it's like, oh my goodness, like, what happened? Everywhere becomes so empty. But anyways, you guys, I went ahead and vacuumed up the whole place. And one thing I actually do not enjoy about flocked trees, you know, flocked Christmas trees, is the particles it leaves behind. Hey, Chineke God, like I was so mad. My sweater, this is actually my very first time of wearing this sweater, guys, and the flock from my Christmas tree, it messed it up. Like, it was just a lot of flock on the sweater that I don't even know if I can salvage it. And this is kind of a knit sweater, right? So because of the fact that it's knitted, so when you go ahead and try to pluck out, just let me know if you have any tip or hack that I can use, because when I was done, I tried pulling those, like, the particles off of my shirt, and it was just kind of, it was wooling, you know, because this sweater is knit sweater, so the wool that was used to kind of knit the sweater was just coming off, and it messed up the sweater. I was so mad. I was like, oh my gosh, like, who told me to wear this type of sweater, right, when I was cleaning out? But anyways, you guys, I went ahead and I cleaned. Look at all the particles that came, you know, out. I said I cleaned and cleaned and cleaned and cleaned, and the crazy thing is, as you clean, right, and you walk around the house, you will still see particles. For days I was still seeing Christmas flock particles all over my home. But yeah, I guess that is one of the things that comes with Christmas decoration, right? Especially, I love the look of flocked Christmas tree. I know a lot of people just go with the green, like normal Christmas tree. I saw a lot of it this past Christmas, but let's see if I probably just opt for that for next year. But anyways, you guys, I went ahead and I vacuumed, and over here, of course, I'm wiping down, cleaning down, you know. Of course, this is a reset video. It's a refresh. We're refreshing for the new year. And guys, please let me know all the contents you guys want to see this year. Like, YouTube is one one platform I'm so ready for, to start pushing out content. I'm just so happy. I'm looking forward to all the good things 2026 have to offer us, guys. I mean, number one is good health, right? Once we have health, every other thing we can always accomplish. But yep, you guys, I hope you all loved this video, and of course, as always, please don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed, and also please hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And that is it for this refresh video. We are now ready to go ahead and kickstart the year. So guys, definitely look out for my new uploads. Until next time, bye.